Spirited Blue Gate. In the rich tapestry of Japanese folklore, one tale has been passed down through countless generations, a story of how Japan became a gateway to the spirit world. During the era of the Edo period, Asahi and Kento, villagers in their town called Ouchi-juku, while exploring the outskirts of their village, discovered peculiar burned markings adorning the ancient wooden planks of a shrine gate called a torii. Intrigued and driven by their curiosity, they decided to follow the trail of charred remnants, leading them to an old and dilapidated shrine shrouded in mystery. The air was thick with an eerie silence as they stepped inside, their hearts racing with anticipation. Later on, they found a ritual staff, Shakujo, floating in the center of the room. They were dumbfounded by this sorcery and wondered, how is it floating on its own? Kento thought of holding the staff and inspecting it. But as soon as he held his hand near it, a blue flame scorched around them. An engulfed flame created a wall of fire and a hole in it, and then a horde of spirits began to swarm through the hole, passing through Asahi and Kento. Shocked by this, they ran away from the shrine and went back to the village. They reported the incident to the Lord and asked for the priest's assistance. In the dusk, they brought the priest to the shrine and investigated the incident. Later they found spirits wandering around the room, and the priest approached them, curious about their appearance. He decided to talk to the spirits, and yet they only responded with a ghastly look. But they seemed to be friendly and they resemble the old families of the past. Then the priest thought it would be a good idea to introduce them to the villagers. Asahi and Kento agreed to this idea and guided the spirits to their families. The residents first felt uneasy about their form, yet once they saw the faces of their past relatives, they immediately gathered around and met them in person. Their hearts felt of joy and sadness to see their loved ones once more. 2 months later, the Lord's servant reported that the shrines became the main foundation for the gateways for the spirits to pass through from their world to ours. Were they worried about this issue? Nay, they only felt a sense of curiosity as to what other souls and spirits could come through to Japan.